Welcome everyone to my new channel Future Fusion 360. Today I will teach you how to make an alarm system app by using MIT App Inventor. First open the Chrome browser and you should search for MIT App Inventor. You will get like this screen. First click on create apps. It will ask you to log in. After logging in, it will open this like tab for you and click on new project and set the project name as alarm system. Okay, then click on OK. It will says alarm system 1 and click on this. It will open a screen for you and search for another tab like puravida MIT App Inventor. It will open puravida MIT App Inventor. Click on App Inventor extensions. Now go down little bit and you will see the alarm system. Alarm system is in set alarm or timer programmatically. Click on this alarm extension. Wait for some time, it will run an tab. Then after the tab runs, you will see this like screen after that, and you should go down and search for this last end of this page and first click on first link. And the tab opens like this, and you will see here you will start downloading shortly, and your downloading starts and it will be downloaded and saved. Click on again MIT App Inventor and search for extension, and here see you import extension and choose the file of your that and choose that file and open it and import the file. Wait, it is loading the file. After the file is loaded, click this file here and here see the one system. After this, click on here layout and click on vertical arrangement, and you can see here some properties. Click on height and fill it parallel, and then click on width, fill it parallel. After this, click on horizontal arrangement, and you will see an horizontal arrangement appeared here. Okay, horizontal arrangement, and click this width as fine fill parallel. Okay, and take a button, click on button and take this button and drag and drop here, and button after take two text boxes. Now first click on vertical arrangement and set it as center 3 and the align vertical as center 2. Okay, then after choose a background color for the vertical arrangement. I will choose the red. Okay, after choosing it red, and go for horizontal arrangement and also choose it as red. Then search for a text box. Yeah, we got a text box. Add two text boxes in this box and click on text box 1, and here you can adjust its width as fill in percent and you can write 20%. Okay, and select text box 2 and width is also 20%. Okay, next you can come here and click on horizontal arrangement and center 3 and okay, and click on another text box and keep it here, and it should be fill it parallel. Okay, and this is done. Click on text box and here set write it as set alarm. Okay, now it is done. Click on block sections here, and now we have to search for the button. When the button is clicked, first option, when one button is clicked, and go for this look extension and keep it here, and select for text box, and you should search for text box color dot background and keep it here, and you should search for text and you should enter control plus D, no sorry, and you should keep it as duplicate, and another one duplicate you should make it, and control plus and take here one, and go back to the designer section and check this is which text box one, and go back to the same section and here click on text box 1 and text box 2. Then their coding is done, and go back to the designer, and you will see here my projects build, connect or build. You should connect on and search for AI companion. This like code will appear, and open your phone. Yeah, okay, now open the Play Store and search for MIT App Inventor. And download this app. Now open the app and search for here connect with code or scan with QR code. You can select anyone and scan with QR code while using this app. And you will scan this after the app opens, the QR code is scanned. After you can write here get up and time as 17 and here 08. Now it will ring in less than 1 minute. Thanks for watching. Please click on bell icon and subscribe the channel.